What if you held in your wallet the exact price of your child's dream, but you were $20 short? Imagine standing in front of your son, whose eyes are sparkling with more joy than you've seen in years, and all that stands between him and a moment of pure magic is the money you don't have. This is a story about that impossible moment, but it's also about a hidden truth that the richest people among us are often not the ones with the most money. Once upon a time, a man brought his family to the city for the very first time to see the grand summer fair. To his two young sons, the city was a kaleidoscope of wonders. But the fair was the real dream. "You wait here," the father said, his own heart full of their excitement. "I'll go get the tickets." His youngest son, Eli, grabbed his hand. "I'll go with you, Papa." And together, they stood in the long, winding line. Perched on his father's shoulders, Eli was a king, chattering endlessly about the spinning rides and sweet candy he was about to enjoy. When they finally reached the front, the woman in the booth said the price, $240. In that moment, the world stopped. The father looked in his worn wallet and saw only 200. Not enough. He could buy 3 tickets, but he knew Eli wouldn't go in without both his parents. He looked at his son, still beaming with joy, and his heart ached with a silent question. How could he explain this? The line behind him grew restless. "Sir, are you buying the tickets?" the woman asked, her voice sharp with impatience. Just as despair washed over him, he felt a gentle tap on his shoulder. A man behind him, with kind and perceptive eyes, said softly, "Excuse me, sir. I think you dropped this." The father glanced down and saw money lying on the ground. He knew it wasn't his, but the stranger insisted with a warm, knowing smile. "It's yours," he repeated. With trembling hands, the father picked it up and bought the 4 tickets. The rest of the day was a memory etched in gold. The sound of his sons' laughter, their joyful faces covered in sugar. It was worth more than any treasure far away. The kind stranger watched them for a moment. He saw the pure joy he had helped create, with a small anonymous act of kindness, and he felt a deep, quiet satisfaction that no amount of money could ever buy. This story is a simple but profound life lesson. It reminds us of a fundamental truth of our shared human nature. You don't need a full wallet to make someone's world richer. It teaches us about the psychology of giving, and that a small act of kindness can have a ripple effect we may never fully see. The true measure of our success is not what we accumulate, but what we are willing to give. This journey to find our own unique way to make the world a little brighter for someone else is the very one we explore in every story. And if you believe the greatest wisdom lies in the kindness we show to one another, then you're already on this path with us. Welcome to the journey. See you another day.